Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a video using AI tool. Here you can go and type Gab AI. So this one is the platform. Now you need to install the VPN. Okay, now let's search for Browsic VPN Chrome extension. Now you can install it and then click add to Chrome, then add the extension. Now it is installing. After that, click this button, pin it at the top, then let's go back, and after that accept, then start the VPN. Now you can change the location, so let me select this one. Now let's go back and reload this page. Okay, now account is ready. Just you can add your name, then click next button, then select the categories. After that, start with 150 credits. Then you need to select one of the option. So select this one, create a video. You can easily create images, music. You can create the 3D animations. So let me select this one, create a video. Here you can type create a video for top 3 cars. After that, click this button, generate the video. Here you can see video is generating. Here you can see video is ready. Just I can play it. Okay, that's fine. So this one is the short video. Just you can type 16:9 to generate the long videos.